Hey guys, this is Mirza with WTI, and I want to share with you my new daily moisturizer that I've been using every day now. Couple of reasons why I have enjoyed it very much is because I do tend to have sensitive to dry skin. I get before, when I wasn't really taking care of my skin, I really have a lot of patches, and this has been in addition to what I do apply. I like how it feels. It's very lightweight. It goes very well under when I'm applying the rest of my routine and my makeup. I do feel a difference. I also love the smell. It smells amazing, and it feels very dewy. The consistency is very good. I really think it's a great value for the quantity that you get, and this has been a great addition. Right now I do not have anything on. I do want to show you how my skin looks right after I apply my daily moisturizer. This is the only thing I have on my face right now. Very easily to spread, and I love the shine that it gives my face, especially because my skin does lack moisture. These are some of the reasons why I have enjoyed their new product, daily moisturizer on my skin, and this was my point of view.